Hi friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and this is my August Young Living Essential Rewards haul. I got so many oils this month, which is really fun. A lot of free oils actually, and so excited to get right into it. I have a whole video I will link in the description box explaining the Essential Rewards program if you're curious. And if you want to get started with oils, I'd love to hold your hand when you buy the premium starter kit, which comes with a beautiful diffuser, 12 oils that'll have you set, and you buy it on Essential Rewards, you will get a free oil from Young Living and a $25 credit from me. So you can buy maybe some of this stuff. So message me on Instagram at takecaremama if you have any questions, and let's get started. We'll do non-oils first. That's mainly what I paid for. I love this. So Young Living's known for oils, but they also have just really good clean household products, and I get rewarded for buying them. So that's amazing. The first thing is a supplement for James, who is 7. And this is their prebiotic and probiotic supplement. It is, I'll open it up. He loves this. He's gonna be really excited that I have it back because we've been out for a few weeks. So they are little packets like this, and he takes one every night. I'm not sure if it matters when you take it, but we take it at night. And it's like a little pixie stick. So he just rips it off and takes it. So it's kind of like a fun treat for him, even though it's actually really healthy. Yay, okay, I really need this. I don't know if you can tell. I got their shampoo and conditioner. My favorite is just their regular lavender. I think it's volumizing, I'm not sure. I just like the lavender scent. I love this stuff. Shampoo traditionally has a lot of gross things in it, and this doesn't have that. It doesn't set up as a traditional shampoo. I think that's SLS that usually makes it kind of really set up. Correct me if I'm wrong, but a really easy hack is I get my hair wet and then I literally put like a dime size in my palm, like super small, and I just quickly wash my hair with it. It feels like it's not doing anything. There's no bubbles. Just do it quickly. Rinse it out, then put some more in your hand, and then it'll all set up and get your hair really clean. So that's my trick. This is small. It lasts me a really long time. I only wash my hair about once a week, but I only use a little bit, and I also love their conditioner. So I've been completely out of these, and it's gonna be a hair washing day today, I suspect. The last non-oil, I got some lipstick from their Savvy Minerals line. Again, really healthy. I'm kind of transitioning into fall with my color. So this is called Uptown Girl. I might have had this before. It's a nude, but a little fall-y, I would say. My lips are kind of chapped right now. So I don't know, what do you think? I like it. On to oils. I think I only paid for like one of these oils, you guys. Let's see. Oh, and this is the one I paid for. Cedarwood is one of my favorite oils. I would say it's in the top 3 right now. I love Cedarwood. When I first got it, I thought it smelled like cat pee, and now I love it. And that happens to me all the time. Oils I love at first, sometimes I don't love, and vice versa. But this is so good, and it's very affordable. This is my favorite emotional supporting oil that is really affordable, and I use this every day. Again, I really like emotional support oils. Cedarwood reaches the limbic system of your brain. It can help release serotonin. I use this a lot for sleep support. I often, almost every night actually, diffuse it in baby Norma's room. I just put 4 drops in her diffuser, and I also use it in my diffuser. I'll do more in my diffuser at night. I have a lot of sleepy rollers and calming rollers that use Cedarwood. I'm almost out, so I'm just gonna open it. Not that it matters, oils don't expire if they're Young Living or high quality. And if you take care of them, keep them out of the sun, put the cap on. I love Cedarwood. Let me know if you love Cedarwood. Because I spent 100 PV on this Essential Rewards program, I got a 5 ml of thyme. This is the white label, it's Vitality line, which means you can internally consume this, so you can cook with this. I'm really excited because in the fall I do a lot of roasts and thyme goes super well with like lemon and chicken. And also thyme has some great immunity boosting qualities. I've never had thyme essential oil. Ooh, it smells like thyme. I'm really excited to do some roasts with this. And this is a main ingredient in the longevity, I think what it's called, blend. And it smells like this. And so it's really good, again, for immunity support. And yeah, I'm really excited to play around with this in the kitchen. I sell Young Living oils and I get paid every month for doing so, and I'm really happy with the compensation, but they do these side things, and I reached a level, I think last month, and they sent me the rest of these oils for reaching that level, which wasn't even hard to get. It's crazy. They do this every month and they change the price, and this was like the best month I've ever seen. I can't believe all of these were free. So let's just get started. Geranium, 15 ml. I do not think this is a cheap oil. This is very sweet and florally, which usually isn't my thing. I might be giving this to my mom. Whew. I don't know. It's actually really good. It's just usually not my thing. I think this is a main ingredient in Joy blend, which I put on my heart every morning. It's very uplifting, happy. I mean, geranium, very awesome. Can't believe this. I don't think I've ever had geranium essential oil in my collection. Lime, I freaking love lime. This is my favorite single citrus oil. The Vitality version I put in my soda water. I love diffusing this with Thieves, especially in the summer. Thieves is their immunity supporting oil, and I diffuse it all year round. It's very Christmassy smelling. There's a lot of cinnamon in it and clove, and adding lime to it makes it more approachable in the summer, I find. I think it smells so good. I actually have that diffusing right over here right now, lime and Thieves. I love lime. So happy because I'm low on that. Tangerine. I've never had a 15 ml of tangerine before. This is another great single note oil. I've been really into diffusing citrus oils in the morning, afternoon, and then around like 5 p.m., 6 p.m. I switch over to more of our calming sleepy time oils like cedarwood, frankincense, lavender, things like that. But this is really uplifting for the afternoon. You guys, I have so many more. Lemongrass, not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of lemongrass. Yeah, I don't know, it's not my favorite. If you love purification, this is a main ingredient in that, I'm pretty sure, like citronella and lemongrass. Anyways, but a lot of people love it, so don't take my word for it, you might love it. The Vitality, I put in veggie capsules with Thieves and oregano and lemongrass, and it's really good for immunity support, and we take that when we're feeling a little under the weather. But lemongrass, I might be giving this one away too. I got a note that the carrot seed oil I also was supposed to get, but it's back ordered, so I will be getting that in the mail in a couple weeks, and I think that's really good for skin support, so I'm excited for that. Stress away! Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites. This comes in the premium starter kit, and oh my goodness. People call it vacation in a bottle. I love rolling this directly on my skin. I put a roller on top usually and use it as a perfume. I haven't oiled up yet today. I'm out of Stress Away, so I'm really happy. Oh, it's so good. Stress Away. I think just 2 more. Just Grapefruit. I think after Lime, this is my favorite single note citrus oil. I love diffusing this. I've said before, this is a great one to blend. Like lavender and grapefruit is great. Again, thieves and grapefruit. But lately, I've been loving grapefruit just on its own in my diffusers in the morning and daytime, like I was saying. Oh man. The Vitality I put in my soda water, and I'm out of grapefruit. I just ran out like last week. Oh my goodness, you guys, I can't believe all this was free. Okay, I think one more. I don't know what it's gonna be. Let me think. Oh, yes. Okay, this, I can't believe I forgot. This was free as well. This being free made me so excited for this little side promo. It's Cypress. I love Cypress so much. It reminds me a little bit of frankincense. It's an emotional supporting oil for me. And oh, I love, love, love diffusing this during meditation. It's another nighttime like calming oil for me. It goes really well with lavender. I didn't love it at first, so when I first got it, I do like half cypress, half lavender in my diffuser, but now I just love it plain. And I've been out, and this is also another pretty affordable oil. I saw someone recently observe that like the grounding oils are usually trees with deep roots like cypress and cedarwood and frankincense, and then the uplifting oils are the citrus with kind of the fruits above you. And I thought that was pretty cool. So, oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm gonna diffuse. I have so many great options. I cannot believe. I think I spent like 108 total. And I probably got like $200 worth of stuff for free. I'm not even, I can't believe it. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Again, I'd love to get you started. Get your diffuser, your 12 oils. 13 if you sign up for ER. If you do it this month in August, you will get a free bottle of thyme just for enrolling in this program. You're already spending the money, and then I'm gonna send you a $25 credit that you can spend on anything at any time in your Young Living account. So let's chat in the comments or again on Instagram at takecaremama, one word. I hope you all have a wonderful day and take care. Bye.